what are your thoughts surrounding the use of AI options to fulfill audit functions? So you have this entire industry, right, of freight bill and audit businesses, and really they sell themselves on convenience, right? Because there's so many exceptions that take place throughout the life of a single shipment that falls outside of a typical audit environment. So how do you think AI is able to do this?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, in my opinion, AI is definitely the way to go to solve this problem of freight audit, because like I mentioned before, one of the major problems is we have to deal with more exceptions than rules in freight forwarding, right? And AI is not a rule-based system. It is able to contextualize the problem or an issue, right? So as opposed to like a rule-based system that can only be programmed with a specific set of rules, in this case, you can contextualize and see kind of what are some other factors that impact this or that decision. So essentially, I do think that definitely with a freight audit, it's almost impossible to build a system that is rule-based that we will be able to solve this. However, with AI, if you're teaching it over and over on some specific use cases, you're able to solve this problem in the long run. Of course, at first it will need to be kind of done in combination with humans, where they will backfill some of the parts of the problem where AI is not trained enough yet. But in the end, I think we can get to a very kind of high accuracy rate using AI when we're talking about freight audit.
Yeah, that's exactly why here at Expedock, how we push this forward is by using human in the loop, right? Because it's tough to get 100% accuracy with just pure artificial intelligence. Our AI technology does 90% of the work with quite a lot of accuracy. Then we work through some of these false positives using experts, freight experts on our team, who then double check and audit the audit performed by the AI, right? And that helps us make sure that really nothing gets overlooked here.